Hey, this is Todd Bentley with Optimum Rope Access Solutions and Texas Glass Restoration. We're about 2/3 of the way done at the IMS building here in Amarillo, Texas, where they have these old metallic coated windows that have just become oxidized over the years and have begun looking pretty rough. Through this restoration process, we have some great solutions to make windows look new again. You don't have to replace your windows to get new looking glass. We should be finishing this thing up here in the next week or so. So stay tuned, we'll be back to you with the finished product.